Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install NetBeans on Windows. To install NetBeans, go to a browser and type NetBeans, download, press enter. Click on the first link, click on download. Under installers and packages, click on Codelerity packages. We need to download NetBeans for Windows. So click on the exe under the Windows section. So now the download has started. It is around 500 MB. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the download is complete. Click on the folders icon. This opens the exe in the Windows Explorer. Now we need to install it. To do this, double click on the exe. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Now on the setup wizard, click on next. Click on next. Click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. Uncheck the launch checkbox and click on finish. Once we have downloaded and installed NetBeans on Windows, you can launch it via Start menu or via the desktop icon. So let us launch it from the desktop icon. For this, double click on the NetBeans icon. So this opens up NetBeans. So these are the steps we need to follow to install NetBeans on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.